this recipe is very simple, but believe me, it will give you instant relief and special to your throat and to your nose. We normally call it Nimbu Kawa, or even you can call it lemon tea. So let's see how to make Nimbu Kawa. I'm sure you're liking our recipes. Please do subscribe to our channel and share our channel with your friends and family. Ingredients required are: you need 1 lemon, small piece of ginger, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of chai patti, black pepper, we'll be using a pinch of it, rock salt, again just a pinch of it, and honey. Firstly, in a pan we will take 1 cup of water. We'll heat it, and to this we will add small pieces of ginger. To this we will add salt and sugar. The quantities of the ingredients you can change and vary as per your taste, and a pinch of black pepper, again little rock salt. We have to boil all these ingredients very well so that all the flavors gets into the water, and then in the last we will add chai patti for the color. We should not boil it. As you have seen, we have immediately switch off the flame. Simultaneously, in a cup we have added 1.5 teaspoon of honey. To this we will squeeze lemon juice. In this honey and lemon mixture we will sieve the complete tea water. We will mix it nicely, and our lemon tea is ready. You should drink it empty stomach whenever you are suffering from cough and cold, and you will actually see the benefits of it. It will relieve it in the quickest possible manner. So try making this very unique and very tasty lemon tea. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.